Hello everyone, welcome to The Good Kitchen. Danny here. So as you know, I've written a cookbook, well it's a cookbook and a memoir about The Good Kitchen that's being published in Australia. It is being published in July and all the proceeds, all my royalties from the book are going back to The Good Kitchen, which is very exciting. And in the book we have recipes that we cook here in The Good Kitchen. The recipes use very inexpensive ingredients, and we're big in the kitchen here on making sure we use all parts of the veg. And one of the sections in the recipe section in the book is about pestos. And my really good friend Gennaro Contaldo, he taught me many years ago that Italian pesto doesn't just have to be pine nuts and basil, because pine nuts are so expensive. You can actually use different kinds of nuts and different ingredients. So he once made me a pesto out of rocket, which was just delicious. It was really pungent. And so today's recipe I'm going to show you is so simple. All the measurements of the ingredients are in the comment section, and not the comment section, but in the section below. And I'm going to freewheel it because that's the way I cook here. And so really this pesto is so simple. I'm a big fan of these jarred peppers, which are just delicious. So roasted jarred peppers, the lemon, parmigiana, garlic, and crushed hazelnuts. So here in Italy, it's so cheap to buy crushed nuts. Really cheap. So I use them a lot, and olive oil. So let's go. I'm just going to blitz it all up. Basic measurements, of course, because we're in the Good Kitchen. You can then also tailor the recipe as to how you like it as well. So if you like kind of like really lots of garlic, which I do, you can put in extra garlic. Again, similar with the roasted red peppers. It's a really good idea to keep some juice of the red peppers as well. So if you want to make that liquid and the pesto a bit more liquidy, it depends on what you're using it for. So today we're going to use this red pesto in a pasta dish, a simple pasta dish. And you just sort of blitz it up as you go along and really mix it in. And I'm going to give it a go. I mean, technically speaking, it kind of looks like a Romanesco, or Romanesco, sorry for my Italian friends if I didn't pronounce that properly. I didn't add any salt to it because I think, you know, with garlic and lemon you can add salt and pepper, but I mean, that's kind of it. It needs to be a little bit sweeter. I love this juice here, and because I've lived in Sicily for 4 years, more cheese, more parmigiano, and a few more nuts. So give that another little go here. Taste test. It's good. So today, as I said, we're going to put it through pasta. We're doing co-working today. It's Friday in the Good Kitchen. So we've got some lovely people here who I'm serving lunch, making lunch for. And so let's see what they think about this recipe. So there you go, a red pepper pesto recipe from the Good Kitchen book that I've written on this most amazing kitchen here in the heart of Sicily. The book is published in July in Australia by the wonderful team at Melbourne Books. You can pre-order, we'll put the information below this video. And in the book it tells the story of my first year here in the kitchen, the trials and tribulations, the amazing characters that make up this incredible place. And if you wanted to pre-order the book, you can. And then I'm coming home to Australia to do lots of events as well, so I'll let you all know where I'll be. So thanks very much. Ciao!